everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sounds on Going Balls game. So let's get started without further ado. Go ahead and open your Going Balls application and make sure that you're inside your game. Once you're in this page, tap on the gear button at the top left from the page, and then you'll be able to open up the settings menu. You'll be able to see three options displayed on the screen: music, sound effects, and haptic. To turn off music and sound effects, toggle off the button right next to sound effects. Once you toggle off the button, you'll be able to turn off sound effects in the game. You can also turn off the music by toggling off the button right where it says music. Soon after you do that, you can easily turn off sound effects on your Going Balls application. Tap on the continue button at the bottom of the page, and that is how you should be able to do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.